So now here we have a problem here. Given that the remainder is 32, when 2x cubed plus px squared minus 3x plus 6 is divided by x minus 2, what is the value of p? Alright, so we know the remainder. Remember f of a equal to r. Good? And in this case, f of a would be what? 2. We can just equate the divisor to 0 and solve. Alright, so a is 2. So f of 2 is equal to the remainder. And what's the remainder? We are told that the remainder is 32. Alright, so r is 32. Alright, so the remainder is 32. So let's find f of 2 now. Substitute 2 in the function here. So f of 2 will be 2 times 2 cubed plus px squared. So p times 2 squared minus 3 times 2 plus 6. So replace it. And all of that is equal to 32. The remainder. Now 2 cubed is 8. 8 times 2, that's 16. 2 squared 4, so 4p minus 6 plus 6 equal 32. So what we have now is 16 plus 4p equal 32. So that's 0, right? So what we have is 16 plus 4p equal to 32. So we can subtract 16 from both sides. So this 16 will be gone. And then we subtract 16 from the right hand side. Alright. If you want to call it group in the 16 with this, you become negative 16. So 4p is equal to 16. So what's the value of p? Divide both sides by 4. So hence p is equal to 4. So here's an x minus 1. And the remainder of minus 41 when divided by x plus 2. What are the values of a and b? So we are told that the remainder when divided by x minus 1 is 41. By the way, I have some improper spelling here. Should be remainder, right? So it means that divided by x minus 1, the remainder is 10. Remember, f of a is equal to the remainder. So divided by x minus 1, so it's f of 1 is equal to the remainder, which is 10. So remainder of 10 when divided by x minus 1. So f of 1, replace x with 1, so 4x cubed, become 4 times 1 cubed, which is 4, minus 3 times x squared, so 3 times 1, 1 squared is 1, plus x is 1, so 1a, plus b, equal to 10. Which means that 4 minus 3, that's 1, plus a plus b is equal to 10. Subtract 1 from both sides. So a plus b is equal to 1. From here, leave the 1 from 10. So a plus b is 9, right? Let's deal with the other side here. We're told that leaves are under remainder of negative 41 when divided by x plus 2. So if you divide by x plus 2, to find the remainder, you'll find f of minus 2. And we are told that it leaves a remainder of minus 41. So f minus 2, you substitute the minus 2 for the x here. So minus 2 to the power of 3, that's minus 8. Well, let me just put in everything right away. Minus 2 all to the power of 3, minus 3, minus 3, and then x squared, x is minus 2 to the power of 2, and then x is minus 2, right? So minus 2a plus b equal to minus 41. Alright? So minus 2 cubed there, that's minus 8 times 4, that's minus 32. This is positive 4 times minus 3, that's minus 12. So minus 2a plus b equal to minus 41 here on the right hand side. Good? So let's group. I'm going to group. Let me keep the negative 2a plus b here and group everything else over here. So these will be positive, right? All of these. So it will be positive 32, positive 12. Add them to both sides, right? And then minus 41. So what we end up with is minus 2a plus b. 32 and 12, that's what now? 44. Yes, so 32 and 12, that's 44 minus 41, that's positive 3. Good? So we have a pure simultaneous equation here. Let's separate that. And let me just separate that. So the equations we have here, so we have a plus b equal to 9. Just there. So we have a plus b equal to 9. And we have minus 2a plus b equal to 3. And of course, since we have the same amount of b's, we can subtract to eliminate that. But remember, when you're subtracting now, it's term above take away term below. So a take away negative 2a, that's become positive 3a, right? Because double negative. And then b take away b, that's 0. And 9 take away 3, that's 6. So divide both sides by 3, the value of a is 2. And if the value of a is 2, you can sub it into any one of the equations. Remember here now, a plus b is equal to 9. A plus b is equal to 9. So if a is equal to 2, what you have is 2 plus b is equal to 9. So 2 plus which number give you 9? Alright, so b would have to be 7. So a is 2 and b is 7. And that's our solution.